Welcome to my presentation on mobile app development. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about how it works and what it does. Mobile app development is the active process by which a mobile app is developed for mobile devices, such as a personal digital assistant, enterprise digital assistants, or mobile phones. These applications can be pre-installed on phones during manufacturing platforms or delivered as web applications using server-side or client-side processing to provide an application-like experience within the web browser. A website wireframe is a visual guide that represents the skeletal framework of a website. Wireframes are created for the purpose of arranging elements to best accomplish a particular purpose. The purpose is usually being informed by business objects and to create an idea, which in this case would be a mobile app. There are 3 fundamental steps you should perform before you have a program to write. Define the output and data flows, develop the logic to get that output, and then write the program. There's a lot of work that goes into designing and programming a mobile app. You should have all the details and make sure the app works like it should. It takes weeks or even months just to design the app to make sure it'll work, before you should even start to think about programming it. After you design and program the whole app, you'll need to be able to network it. One of the most important parts is to be able to share the app with the rest of the world. You'll need to be able to access the app whether it's downloadable on the internet, on the App Store for Apple products, or on the Google Play Store for Android. Getting your app out to the internet is the most important part to share your app. Since the advent of the smartphone, mobile apps are quickly taking over areas of life such as communication, entertainment, shopping, and more. For businesses, mobile app development is becoming a necessity to keep up with consumers' needs. With mobile app development taking precedence over websites for functionality, there's less need for our personal computers and an increasing need for mobile devices like tablets and smartphones. People actually spend 80% of their time on mobile apps, making mobile app development a must for businesses. Good app design in NZ is essential because there are different operating systems and different programming languages per platform. Developing mobile apps on multi-platforms is essential in gaining the widest potential audience and maximizing earning potential. In a 2011 research, it was shown that 80% of developers develop apps for Android, iOS, or both. Developers that don't develop mobile applications for at least one of these 2 major platforms generally have half the revenue of those that do. 42% of developers choose iOS as a mobile app development platform, while 31% choose Android, which makes iOS a superior competitor to Android. Advertising is the most popular source of revenue for apps. In-app advertising revenue is expected to reach $16.9 billion by 2019. 38% of mobile developers used ad revenue, while in-app purchases are used by 37% of developers as revenue. 63% of millennials prefer to make purchases on mobile apps. There are 5 million apps available to download. There's a wide range of mobile applications available, with 2.2 million Google Play, 2 million in the App Store, and 0.7 million in Windows. Google App Designs in NZ is essential in making your application stand out. In fact, every day, on average, 4,375 apps are released on the Google Play Store, while in the Apple Store, an average of 1,082 apps are released. The estimated number of apps downloaded last year is 269 billion. This would be 33 apps for every person on the planet. Meanwhile, in 2016, there were 493 million apps downloaded per day. However, in the developing mobile app, one has to ensure that the app provides a great user experience and won't be deleted immediately. 60% of the apps in the Apple Store have never been downloaded. In the digital age, nearly everyone has internet access, and most internet traffic comes from mobile devices. Mobile application development in NZ allows businesses to reach a global audience and connect with customers from all over the world, promoting market expansion and increasing opportunities for business growth. Having a website for your business is good, giving customers a place to visit for information about your products and services. However, investing in mobile app development will let you virtually put your business in their pocket. Mobile apps allow customers to access all they need to know about your business in one tap, anywhere and anytime. Whether they're at home, commuting, or at work, mobile applications let customers access a customer-friendly place for your business. This easily accessible and regular use of your app will reinforce your business and brand, making customers more likely to come to you for purchases. Mobile app development in NZ can do wonders for a brand promotion. Application development will land your business in the Android and iOS app stores, leading to many potential customers who are searching for the services you offer to stumble upon it and download. A great, well-developed, user-friendly mobile app will leave a lasting impression on customers and help build a reputable brand. Having a mobile app makes businesses' products or services more trustworthy for customers. 96% of the top 50 online retailers in the UK and 94% of the top 50 retailers in the US have at least one mobile app. It also makes businesses more professional, as most companies nowadays have mobile applications. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a little bit more about how mobile app development works and how it is used in our everyday lives.